A California Marital Settlement Agreement documents the terms of a divorce or dissolution of marriage between spouses. It's typically used to split property and liabilities owned by the couple and outlines any alimony, child support, or custody arrangements. In this video, we'll discuss the importance of California Marital Settlement Agreements, some legal requirements, and where to get an official template. First, let's begin by looking at the importance of a California Marital Settlement Agreement. The Marital Settlement Agreement outlines the basic terms of the divorce agreement, such as which spouse gets certain property that's jointly owned. The agreement is essential when dividing up assets, alimony, and other support. A mutually agreed upon settlement is greatly important as it includes a calculation of the amount of spousal and child support, records all of the details surrounding the divorce, can avoid a formal trial in superior court, allows the couple to divide their joint assets, including real and personal property, documents the mutual agreement in writing with all parties' signatures, is required by the court when filing for a formal divorce, can be kept if approved as evidence in case any legal disputes arise, and specifies any custody arrangement, whether joint or sole custody. It's in the best interest of each spouse and their legal counsel to reach an agreement by using this document, provided all parties see eye to eye on the distributions. This way, the divorce can be quicker and more affordable, as opposed to undergoing trial proceedings. Now, let's briefly overview some of the legal requirements in California. California is one of the 9 states that have enacted community property laws. Community property laws state that all assets and money acquired by any of the spouses since the start of the marriage to the end is the property of the marriage, meaning each spouse automatically owns 50% interest in all of the assets, money, and debt that was acquired during the marriage. Community property is generally divided equally after a divorce, but it varies case to case. This dispersion will be applied by a judge if both spouses cannot come to a mutual agreement. Finally, keep in mind that a marital settlement agreement can be used in California to avoid distribution by the courts. If both spouses agree on most terms, they can file an uncontested divorce or dissolution of marriage. A dissolution of marriage, also referred to as summary dissolution, involves both spouses filing a joint petition requesting a termination of marriage, whereas an uncontested divorce typically involves one spouse filing for divorce. Both options are ways to move through the divorce process without the time and expense of a contested divorce. A dissolution may be the easiest and quickest option. However, couples must meet the court's requirements. The written marital settlement agreement will also need to be notarized. This ensures that both spouses consent to the terms and understand the arrangements. We're eForms, the biggest database of legal documents. To obtain an official California Marital Settlement Agreement template that can be used to file for divorce in superior court, simply click on the link below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily videos.